What's going on, everyone? Joe G here. Thanks for stopping by the channel today. We are back with another demo. We're going to be taking a look at this lightsaber from T-Sky. It's going to be a Roman candle barrage. And today's video is being sponsored by our friends at Blazing 7 Fireworks. Make sure you stop by Blazing 7 for all your firework needs this upcoming New Year's. All right, guys, so let's take a look here. It does have some effects listed. Watch our unique effect Roman candle bundle, 3 different versions. Choose 90 shots of blinking red strobe or blinking white strobe or pure blue star. Shoot them together to make a gorgeous RWB start for your July 4th celebration. Well, July 4th is past, but we will be demoing it. I guess this is the red version. So according to that, they do have a white and a blue, white strobe or blue star. We'll see if we can find those again. And we don't use Roman candles in the shows, but I do love Roman candles because they take me back to the days of my childhood when we would have Roman candle wars with the neighbors. Try getting away with that today, right, guys? All right, let's check it out.